Today we will discuss the load analysis of single phase transformer and measurement of voltage, current and power. So basically we are performing the load test of a single phase transformer. Here you can see the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, this is your main transformer on which you are performing the load test. This is primary winding, this is secondary winding and this is the transformer code. On primary side, supply is connected to auto transformer and the output of auto transformer is connected to primary winding. The ammeter is connected in series to measure primary current and voltmeter is connected in parallel for measuring primary voltage. Similarly, on secondary side, single phase load is connected. As load we are connecting single phase induction motor and again ammeter is connected in series for measuring primary current and voltmeter is connected in parallel for measuring secondary voltage, power current. Now let's discuss the circuit connection. So here you can see the main components. This is auto transformer. The function of auto transformer is to provide variable voltage. So this auto transformer provides voltage from 0 to 260 volts depending upon the tape settings. This is the main transformer. In this transformer we have primary winding, secondary winding, and these are the terminals of primary winding and these are the terminals of secondary winding. These are ammeter, voltmeter for primary side and these are ammeter and voltmeter for secondary side. Let's do the connection. So we are doing connection of primary side region. So output of this auto transformer is going in to ammeter, terminal 1. The second terminal of ammeter is connected to the primary winding, first terminal of primary winding. And then the second terminal of primary winding is connected back to this auto transformer. So connection is very simple. The output of auto transformer coming into ammeter, then ammeter is connected to second terminal of ammeter is connected to terminal 1 of primary and second terminal of primary is connected back to the auto transformer. Now for connecting voltmeter you have to do simple parallel connection. So like this 1 and 2. So the connection of primary side is done. In secondary side we have 3 components. One is load. We are using this single phase induction motor which is of 1 HP as load. So what we are doing, secondary winding is like we are connecting first terminal of secondary winding to ammeter. Second terminal of ammeter is connected to this load. Just a second. So this is the load. So this load terminal is connected to the primary one. Now second terminal of this load is going towards the second terminal of the secondary winding. Done. Now again we have to connect the voltmeter. So first lead is connected to the first terminal of secondary winding. So voltmeter. And the second terminal is connected to the second terminal of this winding. So this is the total connections. So now primary side connections are done, secondary side connections are also done. So we are switching on the supply. As I told you in last experiment, before switching on any supply you have to check all the connections that they are right, they are neat and tight and there is no short circuit. So here we can see there is no short circuit, so we are switching on the supply. The voltage is at 0 and we are steadily increase the voltage. So we are increasing the voltage. Here you can see primary voltage is increasing and we will increase up to the 220 volt. So current is also increasing. So here you can see the 220 volt voltage, and at 220 volt the primary current is 3.5 ampere. Now here you can see the secondary voltage, which is 210, 12, 14, 15, 215 volt, and the secondary current is 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 2.5, so 2.1, 2.2 ampere. The secondary current is 2.2 ampere. And if you want to measure the power, you can also connect the wattmeter to the circuit. So wattmeter is used to measure single phase power. So right now we are only measuring voltage and current at both primary and secondary side. And if we want, let's say if we want to measure power, then again we can